Hey guys! Embark on a journey of a lifetime as we delve into the amazing wonders of Bali, a tropical paradise brimming with breathtaking landscapes, vibrant culture, and exhilarating experiences waiting to be explored. Join us as we guide you through Bali, where pristine beaches, lush landscapes, and vibrant cultural treasures await. By the end of the video, you'll have a guide on how to do Bali the right way. All that'll left is to book those flights. Let's start off with the Ubud monkey forest, a fascinating sanctuary nestled in the heart of Bali's lush landscapes. Here, amidst the dense jungle foliage, ancient temples stand in silent reverence, offering a glimpse into the island's rich cultural heritage. As you wander through the forest, towering trees provide a tranquil canopy overhead, offering respite from the tropical heat. The highlight of your visit will undoubtedly be the playful monkeys that call this sanctuary home. With their curious antics and agile movements, they provide endless entertainment for visitors. Keep a close eye on your belongings, as these mischievous creatures are known for their bold attempts at exploration. They've got sticky fingers and an eye for shiny objects. Just imagine trying to enjoy a snack when suddenly a monkey swoops in, snatching your sandwich right out of your hand? Or picture yourself posing for a selfie, only to realize that a monkey has swiped your sunglasses and is now rocking them like a fashionista. And don't even get me started on the water bottles. Those monkeys treat them like liquid gold, always eager to quench their thirst at your expense. So, keep those valuables close and be prepared for some hilarious monkey business during your visit to Ubud Monkey Forest. Next, head off surfing at Kuta Beach. Surfing here is an exhilarating experience that attracts surfers from all around the globe. Renowned as one of Bali's premier surfing destinations, Kuta Beach offers the perfect blend of consistent waves, warm waters, and vibrant atmosphere. This beach welcomes surfers of every skill level, whether you're a seasoned pro or a novice ready to ride your first wave. The waves here are gentle and forgiving. Aside from the fantastic surfing conditions, Kuta Beach offers a lively beach culture that adds to the excitement. Surfers can enjoy the bustling vibe of beachfront cafes, vibrant markets, and colorful beach bars lining the shore. To rent a surfboard at Kuta Beach, visit a rental shop along the shore. Choose your board based on your experience level and discuss rental terms with the staff. Provide identification, sign the rental agreement, pay the fee, and receive any necessary instructions. Then, head to the water, enjoy your surfing session, and return the board to the shop afterward. After a day of riding waves, relax on the sandy shores and soak in the stunning sunset views over the Indian Ocean. Moving on, Tanah Lot Temple. Here, you'll witness one of nature's most spectacular shows, the sunset. Perched majestically on a rugged outcrop amidst the crashing waves of the Indian Ocean, this iconic sea temple is a sight to behold. As the sun begins its descent, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, the temple seems to glow with an otherworldly radiance. Join the throngs of visitors gathered on the shore, cameras poised and anticipation palpable, as they await the moment when the sun kisses the horizon. Feel the cool sea breeze on your skin, hear the rhythmic crash of waves against the rocks, and let the beauty of this ancient temple and its surroundings wash over you. It's a mesmerizing experience that will leave you spellbound and longing to return to this enchanting corner of Bali again and again. To reach Tanah Lot Temple, located on Bali's southwestern coast, you can hire a taxi or join a guided tour from popular tourist areas like Kuta or Seminyak. Aim to arrive at least an hour before sunset to explore the temple grounds and find a good spot to watch the sunset. Next up, a stay in a luxurious rice field hotel. Although it may be pricey, we feel that you must experience the tranquil beauty of Bali's rice terraces with a stay at a luxurious rice field hotel. Nestled amidst the lush greenery of the island's countryside, these enchanting retreats offer a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Picture yourself waking up to the gentle rustle of the wind through the rice fields. Greeted by panoramic views of cascading terraces stretching out as far as the eye can see. Step outside your room onto a private terrace or balcony where you can savor your morning coffee while taking in the breathtaking scenery. The rhythmic sounds of nature surround you as you watch farmers tending to their crops. During the day, explore the surrounding rice fields on foot or by bicycle, immersing yourself in the tranquility of this rural paradise. Wander along narrow paths, lined with swaying palm trees and vibrant green rice paddies, stopping to admire the intricate irrigation systems and traditional Balinese architecture along the way. As the sun begins to set, retreat to the comfort of your hotel's infinity pool, where you can relax and unwind while soaking in panoramic views of the surrounding rice terraces. Close off the evening by indulging in a sumptuous meal featuring locally sourced ingredients and traditional Balinese flavors at the hotel's restaurant. Savor each bite as you dine al fresco, surrounded by the sights and sounds of nature under the starry night sky. Get ready for an adrenaline rush as you make your way to the Bali Swings. These swings offer an exhilarating adventure high above lush jungle valleys and rice fields, promising both adrenaline-pumping excitement and picture-perfect moments for your Instagram feed. Located amidst Bali's breathtaking landscapes, these invite you to soar through the air on giant swings, feeling the rush of wind against your skin as you take in panoramic views of the surrounding scenery. Whether you're a thrill seeker seeking an unforgettable experience or simply looking to capture stunning photos suspended in midair, the Bali Swing delivers an unforgettable adventure that combines excitement and natural beauty in equal measure. So strap in, hold on tight, and get ready to swing your way into an unforgettable Bali experience. Now, make your way to Seminyak. Located just next door to Kuta and Denpasar, exploring Seminyak offers a luxurious escape filled with upscale shopping, gourmet dining, and vibrant nightlife. Dive into a world of chic beach clubs, boutique stores, and trendy restaurants that line the streets of this fashionable destination. Discover designer boutiques showcasing the latest fashion trends, perfect for indulging in a shopping spree or finding unique souvenirs to take home. Afterward, treat your taste buds to a culinary journey at one of Seminyak's acclaimed restaurants, where world-class chefs blend local flavors with international cuisine. As night falls, immerse yourself in the electrifying nightlife scene, where stylish bars and clubs pulse with energy and music until the early hours. Whether you're seeking relaxation, indulgence, or excitement, Seminyak promises an unforgettable experience for those craving a taste of luxury in Bali. While Seminyak can be enjoyed by travelers of all ages, it may not suit those looking for a budget-friendly vacation or seeking a quieter, more secluded atmosphere. Next up, a Balinese cooking class. Embark on a culinary adventure in Bali by joining a Balinese cooking class, an experience that promises to tantalize your taste buds and awaken your senses. Led by expert chefs passionate about preserving Balinese culinary traditions, you'll dive into the vibrant world of spices, herbs, and local ingredients. Through hands-on instruction, you'll learn the intricate techniques behind beloved Balinese dishes, from the aromatic rendang to the refreshing gado-gado. By the end of the session, you'll not only have mastered new recipes, but also gained a deeper understanding of the artistry and love infused into every Balinese meal. As for price ranges, Balinese cooking classes typically vary depending on factors, such as class duration, location, and included amenities. Prices can range from around $30 to $100 or more per person for a half-day class, with some classes offering additional perks such as market tours or meal tastings. Be sure to research and compare options to find the best fit for your budget and preferences. Head off to the Bali Safari and Marine Park, where exotic wildlife from around the globe awaits your discovery. Located in the heart of Bali, this premier safari park offers an unforgettable experience for animal lovers and adventure seekers alike. Set off on a thrilling safari journey through lush landscapes, where you'll encounter majestic creatures such as lions, elephants, and rhinos roaming freely in their natural habitats. Feel the excitement build as you get up close and personal with these magnificent animals, observing their behaviors and learning about their conservation. For a more intimate experience, indulge in animal encounters, where you can interact with friendly inhabitants such as orangutans, tigers, and pythons under the guidance of expert handlers. Capture the moment with unforgettable photo opportunities as you forge connections with Bali's fascinating wildlife. Explore the park's marine section and embark on an aquatic journey filled with wonders from the depths of the ocean. Encounter colorful coral reefs teeming with tropical fish, graceful sea turtles gliding through crystal clear waters, and mesmerizing marine creatures, such as sharks, rays, and jellyfish. As for pricing, admission tickets to Bali Safari and Marine Park typically range from $40 to $60 for adults and $30 to $50 for children. These attractions promise an adventure of a lifetime for visitors of all ages. Next, make your way to Waterbom Bali. Embark on a day of exhilarating fun at the ultimate water park destination on the island. Nestled amidst lush tropical gardens in the heart of Kuta, this premier attraction offers a wide array of thrilling slides and aquatic adventures for visitors of all ages. Ideal for families, Waterbom Bali boasts attractions catering to both children and adults, making it the perfect destination for a memorable day out with loved ones. Adults can enjoy heart-pounding rides and relax in the tranquil surroundings. Dive into the adventure with an adrenaline-pumping ride down one of the park's many thrilling slides, including the heart-stopping climax slide, where riders experience a near-vertical drop into a free fall. For those seeking a more leisurely experience, drift along the lazy river, winding through lush tropical gardens and past cascading waterfalls. As for prices, admission tickets to Waterbom Bali typically range from around $30 to $40 for adults and $20 to $30 for children. Additionally, the park offers various packages and promotions, including combo tickets with meal vouchers and fast-track passes for priority access to rides. Waterbom Bali promises a day of endless fun and excitement for visitors of all ages, making it a must-visit destination for anyone looking to beat the Bali heat. Last, but definitely not least, start your day with a sunrise trek to Mount Batur, Bali's iconic volcanic peak. This exhilarating trek offers breathtaking vistas and the opportunity to witness a spectacular sunrise from the summit. Perfect for outdoor enthusiasts and nature aficionados, the Mount Batur Sunrise Trek is ideal for travelers of all ages and fitness levels. Accompanied by seasoned guides, adventurers navigate through verdant forests and volcanic landscapes under the shroud of nightfall. The trek typically commences in the wee hours of the morning, allowing hikers to ascend to the summit in time to marvel at the dawn's first light breaking over the horizon. As the sky transitions into a palette of vivid hues, trekkers are treated to sweeping panoramas of Bali's stunning terrain and distant volcanic peaks. Nestled in the Kintamani region of Bali, Mount Batur is easily reachable from popular tourist enclaves such as Ubud and Kuta. Most tour operators provide convenient transportation to and from the trek's starting point, simplifying logistics for participants. As our journey through Bali comes to an end, we hope you've been inspired by the island's breathtaking beauty, vibrant culture, and exhilarating experiences. Don't let the adventure stop here. Start planning your own Bali getaway today. If you've been captivated by Bali's beauty like we have, consider subscribing to our channel. We upload content like this weekly. Drop us a comment and let us know which Bali attraction intrigued you the most. Your feedback drives us to create more content that resonates with your interests. Until our next adventure together, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep the spirit of adventure alive.